Dude, I'm so glad you're here! Welcome to Hot Wheels Unlimited! You know what we're all about here. Awesome cars, crazy challenges, and building the coolest tracks around, right? Right! So first up, you're gonna want to head over to Hot Wheels City, where there's a trunkload of challenges to test your skills. Win a challenge, get a wheel. Win enough of them, and bam! You've got a shiny new ride. All right! There's so many to collect, I just can't keep count. So buckle up and start your engines. This is gonna be one awesome ride. Yo, check out this ride. Roger Dodger's a classic. Power, speed, and style. I mean, have you seen that engine? It can be all yours for some red wheels. Let's go get some. Bam! Tap here. Challenge accepted. I hope you've got your thinking cap on. This is a puzzle trial. Your goal is to fix the track in order to get your car from this launcher to the finish ring. Can you do it? Sure you can. Here are your track pieces. Boom! Get busy building. Just grab a track piece, slide them over, and drop them where you think they fit. Oh yeah! You got this! All right, let's finish up the track. Test your track at any time by pressing the Go button. Alrighty then, just smash the Go button and go get your red wheel. Two-finger controls. Two-finger controls. Here's a loaner until you get your own ride. Pull the launcher all the way back to get your car going. Keep on tapping. Here we go. Keep going, champ. Red Wheel 1. We've got one more in store. Hit it. Challenge accepted. This is a race challenge. Time to bring your A game. Gotta tap fast to launch your car. Two-finger controls. Awesome launch! Show me what you've got! Right? That was cool. Nice. You got red wheels. Oh yeah. This Roger Dodger is ready to roll. Challenge cleared. You've completed all the daily challenges available. You can play more with the Ultimate Pass. I've got something much better lined up. That's a ton of track pieces! Connect them to your launcher and get building. See that big arch over there? That's your goal. It'll move with you as you build your track. Neat, huh? this out. I've got something amazing to show you. Tap here. When you're ready to race your track, slap the race button. No rush though. Take your time. Make it awesome. Ready to race? Stunt tracks! Yeah! That's what Hot Wheels is all about! Use these to loop, boost, crash, and clash with the Nemesis. Press the spin button for a random name, or swipe the reels to create one. Choose your ride. Race on! See these? They're edges. Each one improve your car's performance in different ways. Two-finger controls. Right? That was cool! And the winner is Futurismo!